portable workstation using the casing of a used washing machine. So obviously this is the outer shell or the outer casing of the side loading washing machine, right? So obviously all the interior parts has been taken out apart completely, left the front casing, the back enclosure. This is the support structure which sits on top, and this is the base panel. So we're going to assemble this back, and we are going to show you how we're going to make a portable workstation. Okay, the casing has been put together. You can see 4 rotatable 360 degrees rotatable casters has been installed, and we have also placed a plate here and also a plate there. This cover we need to screw it up. So this is how it looks like. Okay, easily move it around. Okay, so even we got the original door, later we're gonna close that, so we got a storage compartment here. Okay, there's a lot of things you can do with this now. So you can do some work on top here. My purpose, or I have an idea, is to put a bench grinder mounted onto this table, right? So you can use it for a bench grinder or anything else, and you can store your compartment inside, right? We are going to show you how we're going to utilize this washing machine casing to convert it into a multi-purpose pet feeding and drinking automated system. So meaning which the pets will be able to drink water and also to eat their food supplied by this washing machine casing. Why am I using the word casing is because everything inside this washing machine has been stripped. It's totally empty. So we are going to proceed first by installing the automated water drinking system. So the idea now is to have the drinking pipe installed at the perimeter of the washing machine. Okay, the idea is basically just like this. What we have here, it's just that it's going to be on a large scale. Okay, the drinking water pipe channel has been made. So now we are going to cut off part of the top section so that the pets can be able to reach the water and to drink the water. So we're going to cut all 4 top. Okay, we have completed the design of an automatic pet feeding and drinking system. So let's go through the features. Okay, of course we have the automatic water supply, so the water will come in by means of the float, right, and it will be filled with this water tube which has been cut into half. So the float here will trigger the orifice till the height of the water is reached, and then you can obviously drain out the water with the valve located at the bottom. So this is one feature. Second feature is the automatic feeding system itself. You can see the food. So as the pet come here, put their beak here, they eat, more and more food will come out, right? This is the by means of a simple gravity push of the food. So it will push down and it will come up from here slowly, right? So that is the second feature. Third feature, of course, we have the shade, the umbrella. You see the umbrella? So we have the shade to shade the whole unit from sunshine or rain, and also the pets, they can chill around here with the water and food supply. Of course, we have a cover, okay, to prevent any cats or any other type of pets to come and eat the food if your food is intended for ducks or goose or chickens or so forth. So you just place it there and close it, okay. And the fourth feature is the storage system, okay. So this thing basically opens up, so you can store. In this case, I stored some medication, okay. You got the pet's towel also located inside. You know, shower them and everything is within reach, so you can access it here mainly to get all these components, this stuff, and also to put your food for the pets, which is airtight. And then you close it, okay. Hopefully this video gave you some information on how you can use a used washing machine outer casing into something useful, right? In this case, we have converted it into a typical pet feeding and drinking system, okay. One more thing I forgot, we also have 4 heavy duty casters which rotates 360 degrees, so we can just move this guy around, okay, and so forth.